Hey, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and here is a decoration idea for your next gender reveal. This is rock candy from Candy Envy, and not only are they delicious, but they are super adorable for a gender reveal. These candies are individually wrapped, but they're also really easy to open. I like that they're wrapped. This is great for a party setting so that people don't spread germs. They're also really tasty. I'm tasting the blue here and it tastes just like cotton candy. The pink ones taste like cherry and they are so pretty. I love how sparkly they are. They look great as a gender reveal decoration on the dessert table. So if you're in the market for some yummy treats for your next gender reveal, definitely check out Candy Envy. This rock candy is really yummy. The kids love it and it's a really great decoration for a gender reveal. And that's my point of view.